This video intends to show how to correct an issue where your Honda back seat does not want to go up when trying to use your lever. So here I have a situation where I'm trying to get the seat to go back up, and the way I can fix that is by pushing this latch right here by pushing it forward. Normally, if you would have pushed that level forward, it would go forward as well. So I'm just going to have to force it to go forward with this screwdriver tip. So what I'm going to do is put the tip of the screwdriver on that latch, push it forward, and this goes a lot quicker. Just trying to do this one-handed. It makes it a little bit harder to do. Let's see if we can do it. There you go. And after you do that, I'm going to have to put my camera down, but after you push the latch back in, the seat will come right back up. That's it. Thank you.